So I told you we're doing one problem today, so let's take a look at this one. An investment of $35,000 was made. The first part earned 8% interest, the second 6%, and the third 9%. Total interest from the investments was $2,610. Okay, so let's start by defining some variables. We have the three different interest rates. So X could be the amount at 8%, Y the amount at 6%, Z amount at 9%. And we know we had $35,000 altogether. So what's the first equation?
X plus Y plus U is 35,000.
Okay. So for my interest, X is the amount of 8% interest, so 0.08X. Y is the 6%, so 0.06Y. Z is 9%, so 0.09Z. Equals my total interest, which was $2,610. The last, the interest from the first investment. So my first one is the 8%. The interest is 0.08X. Is like is, that's your equal, 2 times the interest from the second one. The second was my 6%, so the interest from the second is 0.06Y. So we have to define our variables, get our three equations. Now we have to solve them, which is what we were working on yesterday. What do you guys want to do?
Distribute the 0.2 and divide over the 0.08.
Okay. So if I'm just focusing on this equation for a moment, then that would tell me 0.08x equals 0.12y. So if we divide, then we get 3x to equal 3/2 y. Alright, I didn't get a number. That's an equation involving x and y, so let's go back the first two. If I only want x and y, we need to eliminate z. So to eliminate z, I could take this one times negative 0.09. You guys okay with me there? So when we do that, we have a negative 0.09x minus 0.09y minus 0.09z equals negative 3150. Second equation didn't change. So when we add these together, we get negative 0.01x minus 0.03y equals negative 540. At this point, we need to use these two equations. They both involve x and y. We already set this one up to sub, so we're going to sub it into the first. So we have negative 0.01, and in place of x, x is 3/2 y. You guys guys with me? You know what we're doing here? So we get negative 0.075 y minus 0.03 y equals negative 540. Then we're going to combine like terms, so negative 0.045 y equals negative 540. And if we divide, y is 12,000. And once you have y, you can start plugging that back in to get the others. We know x is 3 halves times our y of 12,000. So x is 18,000. The very first equation, x plus y plus z equals 35,000. So 18,000 is 12,000 plus z equals 35,000. So z is 5,000. So at the end of a word problem, you have to write a sentence. So we had $18,000 at x was the amount at 8%, is that right? $12,000 at y was 6%. $5,000